Hi guys, today we are in our office. So as you can see behind, we have a beautiful office. Asad is with me always. Asad, today I will just ask you some questions, okay? Which is, I think, it will really help the people, okay, who wants to invest or planning to invest in Dubai market, okay? So first of all, I have as a concern like most of the people they're investing only in residential apartments, villas, townhouses, many things. But there's a few people only they look on the other side, which is commercial. As I can see, the commercial availability itself is really low. Like
Exactly.
if you compare entire market, like in 100%, maybe commercial is only 6-7%, or maybe more or less,
Even less.
even less.
Yeah.
But from my side, my experience, I can see more opportunities in commercial. Okay, so what is your opinion?
That's a great question. And before I go to that,
Yeah.
I just wanted to address the audience
Right.
about why we make videos.
Yeah, definitely.
We make videos because when we see opportunities, we like to talk about them
Right.
and put all the information out there for our viewers
Right.
so they can make their own assessments
Right.
and their own decisions.
Of course, we are also here
Exactly.
to guide them.
Yeah.
But you should make your own assessment also.
Exactly. We are there to, hold your hand, walk you through,
Yeah.
take you through the process, right?
Exactly.
In the end, it's always the decision of the investor
Definitely.
or the buyer. Our job is to give you a full in-depth detail and correct information as much as we can.
Right. Definitely.
Now, coming back to your question,
Right.
I find it like gold rush. If you're buying villa, your friend will buy a villa, townhouse, apartment, all residential, right? So if I'm making profit, I'll say, okay, he's making profit, I'll do the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's been going on. And very few people have the mindset to look beyond that.
Definitely.
And you see, commercial is, as you said, less than probably 6% in Dubai. And if you go out, if you want to buy an office or rent an office, there is a major struggle out there. There is such a high
High demand.
demand.
Yeah.
High demand, but a demand and supply mismatch as well. Major one.
Right.
I would say even in DIFC, Business Bay, downtown, if you're looking for a vacant office, the vacancy rate is around 2% only. I mean, you will barely find a vacant office.
Exactly, and especially according to your size. Okay, I think the bigger office, the bigger space has more demand.
Absolutely.
Right now.
Whether it's big or small, right now, because of golden visa policies and businesses coming in, everybody needs an office.
Right.
And there has been such a high demand and supply mismatch, as I said. Where are the offices? Only here? Business Bay, downtown, let's say
Some buildings in some areas.
Dera, right?
Dubai.
Those were actually, constructed to meet the upcoming demands, but now the demand is so high that you can barely find a good office. And if you're talking about, grade B offices, they are in DSO, Dubai Silicon Oasis.
Right.
And really old offices in JLT, right next to the metro. So the office spaces and retail have become high in demand.
Definitely.
And I mean, I would say there is absolutely no supply.
Definitely. And one more thing in the offices or retail, like if someone, let's say, I want to start a company, okay, especially in the retail, the people will not leave easily, okay. They don't mind increasing the rents every year.
There has been 20% rent increase year on year in Dubai.
Exactly.
You ask for it, and a grocery store owner doesn't want to leave that
Because
space.
he settled his business already.
Exactly.
Okay? The people knows he's getting business from this shop or from this
200
office.
apartments, 3 retail only. One he owns, and then obviously he's getting business from that buildings around him. So retail is only Within the commercial, retail is barely 20% of it, and
Exactly.
office is 41%.
Also, I saw some buildings, as you said, 300 apartment in the building, and down there is a 3-4 commercial.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see in this particular space, if someone open a laundry, if someone open a grocery shop, supermarket, okay, they don't need business from outside. Okay, the building itself giving them the business, which is enough for them.
Absolutely. There is a building I saw yesterday. Emirates staff lives there.
Yeah.
This intelligent guy, he opened a very small dry clean store over there.
Yeah.
And he is so busy because he's got the business only from the uniforms of
Definitely.
the Emirates staff, right?
Yeah.
So you see, these are the intelligent investors
Right.
who actually make the move before anything actually ever happens. So
Right.
I believe commercial is something that people need to look at, and not only go for residential part only. That
Right.
does make money. That's a great, side of real estate. But when you talk about rentals are so high. People are actually making over 20%
Right.
ROI on rentals only. In 5 years, your equity would be,
Exactly.
recovered.
And if you got the opportunity to get the commercial office or retail just exactly on the metro station,
My God.
okay, this is the plus point.
Yeah.
Okay,
There is
which-
one, Samana developers. We don't talk about Samana much,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
We don't usually sell that because
Right.
so many reasons. But Samana has come up with this office
Entire
building,
office building.
entire office building right next to Jabal Ali metro station. Now that is a district nobody is watching.
Yeah.
But Imtiaz is building Raw District 1 and
Definitely.
2 over there.
This is just beside of Imtiaz, okay?
Exactly.
Whoever missed the opportunity getting unit in Imtiaz, they can just get it here.
Exactly. Imtiaz doesn't sell much commercial either. Like Imar never sells its
Definitely, because they
retail
know the
units.
value.
They know the value. They manage it by self.
Exactly.
And I believe Imar also takes profit from the
From the
earnings,
commercial earning,
from the
Yeah.
rentals as well. So I think that is also something.
People don't mind giving because they're
Exactly.
making really good business.
Look, if you are an owner of a retail or an office,
Yeah.
your ROI is sky high in Dubai.
Definitely, yeah.
That is a market nobody is looking at. And that's what we want our viewers to know, that there are few commercial opportunities that they need to think about and think beyond what other people are doing.
Definitely. There is the offices start from 1,000 square feet. Commercial retail also start from 1,000 size. I'm talking about the size.
Yeah.
1,000 square feet above.
Offices,
Offices
yeah.
also and retail also.
Retail also.
And retail also is kind of, the 3 podium is for the retail. So it's
Exactly.
kind of mall.
Mall,
You will
yeah.
have a clinic, you will have a restaurant.
That was a good project, and
Definitely.
it's a great project
and
actually.
above, we have all the offices.
Offices, yeah,
Okay.
25 floors, I believe.
So it's really get a great opportunity to jump in now, because this is the new launch.
It has been a new launch, but you
Yeah.
see, you need to be ahead of the curve, right? So I believe smart investors to start looking at commercial aspect of real estate and assess their own situations as well. I mean,
Definitely.
and leverage the situation that is right now
Yeah.
being that is now in Dubai, which is a major demand and supply mismatch.
Exactly. And what is a good thing in a commercial? You get the office shell and core.
You can
Shell and
make
core
it
means
by yeah.
there's no flooring, no ceiling, no walls, plaster or something. You just get the raw. Okay. And whoever will rent or lease,
They're
the
going to do
office,
everything by themselves.
they're gonna do everything.
And
Yeah.
there is such a peace of mind when you lease. Offices don't want to leave.
Yeah.
Stores don't want to leave.
Yes.
So you see, you have a constant high income coming in
Right.
compared to residential. And every year, as I was studying the data, it's last year to this year, there's been an over 20% of rental increase.
Appreciation. In rental increase. Yeah.
So I mean, looking at that, literally you can get
Definitely.
your equity in like 5 years.
Also, if let's say someone wants to leave the office, it's a good thing. Also, they will not take anything from there. Okay, whatever
Exactly.
they build in the office, they will leave as it is.
Exactly.
So, end of the day, whatever is there is yours.
Exactly.
And also leasing the office, leasing the retail, It's not the typical things. It's really easy. There's lots of tenants who wants to take the office and retail always.
So, as I said, demand supply mismatch.
Yeah.
So, guys, think about it.
Definitely.
Take a look at the aspect of commercial real estate. There's a major opportunity over here. Our numbers are in description. You can get in touch with us. We can give you
Definitely.
a brief or a detailed overview. We'll give you the numbers as well,
Right.
and we'll help you out. We'll hold your hand. And it's always nice speaking to you guys and getting comments from you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again.
Definitely. Thank you so much. See you.